Hey, welcome back YouTube. It's your boy Mario Dude, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing video for the Valve Index. Finally got it in. Shout out to FedEx. Shout out to me paying for it. But after the long wait, we finally got the Valve Index. I kind of already tore some of the tape, so sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna peel that back and open that. Yes, sir. I'm not even gonna preface. I'm gonna open this thing. So, oh my God, look at her. She is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my God. Hold up. Oh, God dang it. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so we got our base stations here. Oh man, I have a mount coming for these in the next few days. Kind of sad that they hasn't got here right when the headset got here. So I'm gonna have to kind of rig something up to have the sensor. Because the base stations are the sensors for the Valve Index, if you didn't know. Because it's outside tracking. So this is gonna track all your movements and whatever. And you get two of them. If you need more, you know, you buy more, but all I need is these two. So I got two of these. You come with little screws on the bottom so you can put them like kind of like on the camera stands. You know those what are those things called? I can't remember. But anyway, if you want to mount them on the wall, you can do that, and they come with little holders and plugs and stuff like that. So yeah, oh, awesome. And one of my we have the Valve Index controller, the knuckle controller. Oh my God. That's so cool. And it fits my hand really good. That's kind of what I was scared of. It fits really good. That's nice. Thumb pads. I think this is like kind of like a trackpad-ish type thing. Wow, okay. I like this. This is nice. And you know, you get two controllers obviously because you can't play games with just one controller. So, that feels good. Okay, these are kind of the updated Valve Index controllers because you got the click for the analog sticks. So yeah, so the way these work is that like they can sense each of your fingers. So you can do like middle fingers and stuff in VR, and it'll feel every fingertip press. But okay, nice. We got our cords. Jesus Christ, that's a lot of cords. Oh man, yeah, that's a lot. This is like an aux cord. What is this? Display port and USB. Okay. All right, y'all know what we here for. Let's take this dang thing out. Okay, what is this? That's not good. But yeah, I'm so excited to get this. This is a pretty little penny. This headset runs you about $1,000. So, yeah, boy, is not cheap. This is VR, but this is top of the line VR. Very, very top of the line VR. There's just manuals and stuff in different languages. Golly. What? It been German, Italian, Japanese, I guess. Okay, cool. And you get a little cloth to clean your index. I like that. Okay, that's all that in that box. But you know what we want to do. Wow. This is the Valve Index. Oh my God, that feels great. It feels like memory foam material for the facial stuff and the back. I ordered a replacement interface for this, so that's gonna be getting replaced. You got your audio. Oh man, and the lenses. I ordered some prescription lenses also for this, so I can't put my glasses in in this because these will get scratched up very easily. So yeah, okay, wow, look at that. She is gorgeous. IPD adjustment right there. Yep. And luckily, what I like about it, I like having the IPD slider because I can get that perfect adjustment for my IPD. So I have a larger IPD. How high does this headset go up? Okay, so this headset goes up a little bit higher than the Quest 2. Well, about the same, but it's a little bit easier to adjust the hands right here. That's nice. This is a lot of cordage going on, I'm not gonna lie. So the cords connect to each other using display port. So, okay, interesting. This is gonna take a lot of digging in the back of my computer to set up. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so I'm gonna assume there's more cords. Jesus Christ, a lot more cords. I'll be right back and put this down. Okay. So we have the, what looks like to be the mounts for the base stations. which I have right here on the floor. So I'm guessing just screw these in or stand them up like this. Okay, so I can put these up somewhere. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna set this up in my apartment. This is gonna be interesting. If you're gonna be, whoa, what is this? This feels great. What is this? Should probably look at the manual, huh? I don't know what this is, but I'm assuming this goes on the headset somewhere. Let's see. Okay, I had to grab the headset. So I'm assuming this goes in here? Yeah, it fits perfectly in here. Oh, that goes on the back of your head? Oh my God. Now that is quality. That feels great. Okay. Put the index down right there. Let's see, what is this? I'm gonna assume this is cords for the base station, controller charger cords, and the adjustable strap for the index controller, which is nice. So what is this? Looks to be mount screws for the base stations. A lot of base station stuff in here, which makes sense. Is one of the most important parts of the the index. Okay, so the plugs. And they got different plugs for different areas of or wherever you're from. Yeah, interchangeable stuff. Okay. Yeah. So, oh, more stuff. Dang, what else is in here? Jesus Christ. I mean, I ain't mad for $1,000. There you go, a whole bunch of stuff. Let's see. This is the charger, it seems like. Or the power thing for the index. I didn't see any. Yeah, it's the power. It's the power for the index. Okay. I'm about to get some extension cords. I'm about to look at the bottom of this thing. I don't even know where the wires go for this. Looks to be the top. Okay, let's take this. Let's loosen the strap up so I can see. Okay, that didn't help. All right, so this comes off. Nice. So cool thing about be careful with that. Cool thing about this interface is that it has a little nose guard, so like light won't really get in from the bottom. So that's really nice, and it seems to be magnetic connection to the headset itself. I like that. Okay, and so where do the cords go right here? This is where the cord actually connects to the headset. So there seems to be another thing you can plug in right here. That's interesting. I'm gonna have to do some research. But yeah, this is the Valve Index. And this thing looks great. It looks so cool. I know this comes off, but I forget. Okay, let me take this tape off. Oh, there we go. So you can plug in like USBs right in here, and then that'll give you like what's the word? You can put like lights and really cool like fans and stuff like that in here with this USB. So if you want to mod your index, that's how you do it. But yeah, this is the Valve Index. Probably gonna be a jump cut to my first impressions to it, because I'm gonna do first impressions and the unboxing in the same video. But this is the Index and its amazingness. Ooh. But yeah. All right, we'll be back with the first impressions. Bye. All right, so we're back again, and now we have the Valve Index fully set up. I played with it for a little while, and now I'm just gonna get my first impressions with the headset. So first things first, this headset is incredibly comfortable. Like compared to the Quest 2, which I usually use just for like streaming and my usual VR antics, this thing is next level comfort straight out the box. Like I can't imagine what it's gonna feel like when I get my my new facial interface here. So when I get my replacement facial interface, it's gonna be crazy. Like this thing is so comfortable. Like it just slides on. I didn't really have to tighten much because it kind of just naturally fit my head. I did have to just tighten the strap a little bit. And another cool thing that I didn't even know about is that, I didn't know about in terms of how it's used, like just in VR, is the slider on the side here, which pretty much pushes the lens forward and backwards, close to your eyes, away from your eyes, and that is a crazy big help with this headset, because I guess if your eyes get tired, you can kind of push it away, or if you want to get like a lot more FOV or field of view, you can kind of push it towards your eyes, and that brings us to the next topic. So the FOV on this thing is amazing. I kind of not took it for granted, but I didn't really understand, I guess, what it meant for higher FOV in a VR headset until I just tried this. So like, it's completely different. Like, I see so much more when I have the headset on and in VR. That it's just amazing. I'm honestly blown away by how much more I can see, like in regular games that I play. Like, it's a lot more immersive than the FOV that I was getting with the Quest 2. So I'm honestly kind of just lost for words in terms of how much more immersion it is. I definitely need to get some more gameplay with this headset, but I like the hinge on this. The hinge really helps putting this thing on. But I literally just put my eyes in it, boom, close it, and then it's so much easier to put on. Another thing that I really liked was the tracking. Like, I didn't lose any tracking. Like, when I was reaching behind my back for like a sword and Sorrento and just other games where you reach for katanas, like, I didn't lose tracking. I didn't. It was easy to pick up. Something. The only thing I had trouble with was updating the controllers. So one of the controllers didn't. It wasn't picking up, but after I plugged it in, it worked fine. And something I did do, which I would advise you not to do, and I'm kind of sad about it. I broke one of the adjustment things. I think that's this one. I broke the adjustment thing for the hand strap. So yeah, don't do that. Don't force this. Do not force this little part right here. Don't force it. You'll know what I'm talking about when you get your index, but don't force this part. Just let it. If you can't move it, just let it be. Just adjust the hand strap from the bottom down here. You can pull it and then loosen it up by pressing this big button right here. So don't do that. Hopefully it doesn't mess anything up. I noticed that when it's kind of pushed to the top right here, I can't really move the thumbstick around. But it's not worth the RMA or anything like that. It's fine. So don't do that. Make sure you get a stand for your index. It's a lot easier to just like kind of pull it off and go about your business. And this right here, this is so comfortable. This goes into the back of the headset, and pretty much you put it in here. But I don't know, it's something like lifting it up. Okay, forget it. Let me lift it up. So you put it in the back of the headset, and it just kind of fits in the back right here. And it adds a lot more comfort. And I think it's meant for like if you have like a smaller head, which I don't. So I couldn't use it fully. I kind of had to squeeze in there. But if you have a smaller head, welcome to comfort. This material is so breathable. Like it's so good. Like I see why the index is worth $1,000 now, because what you're getting in the headset is really worth the price. Like, even the controllers, like, kind of just blow me away because, no, that's wrong. I gotta use that. But it blows me away just because when I was playing Zero Caliber, you actually have to, hold the gun. It's just kind of crazy. When you pick up a gun, you actually have to grab it, like, physically. Like, that, I have to get used to that. That's gonna be such a strange transition for me. And something else that I really like, which a lot of people don't really mention, and when I was, doing my research for the index, is that there's software called Revive, and so you can play Oculus Quest or Oculus Rift games on the index using that software. So look up Revive for the index, and it'll send you to the GitHub page, which will have all the it should have the software that you can install to do what you need to do. So make sure you look that up. I may put a link in the bio for Revive if you need it, and I'll probably show it on screen about sometime now or before. So that's nice. The audio, crispy. I really like the audio. It's kind of what I expected for the price, but it's really good. Like, it's really good. This thing is really good. the base station. So I'm not gonna show you my base stations because I have a really ghetto setup right now on my base stations, but setup was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Luckily, my space is doesn't have a lot of reflective materials and stuff like that, even though it's just glass. But it was really easy to set up the base stations. I really like that. I like the fact that you can make them turn off when you're not using them, because I was worried about the power usage. But something I would recommend is ordering some stands. Like I think I mentioned earlier, ordering some stands for your base stations, just in case you don't want to mount them on the walls. I didn't mount mine on the wall. I have one of my base stations on some boxes right now. So my stands will be coming in, I think, Tuesday. So I'll probably, if you guys want it, I'll do like a setup video for that. But I don't think it's really needed because I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty self-explanatory. You kind of just put the base stations at two separate corners of the room, and just it kind of works from there. So I will be doing a Oculus Quest 2 versus the Valve Index comparison video. I'll be doing it relatively soon. Probably get it done this week. Probably my big video for this week. So I really want to get that comparison up. I'll probably also have some game reviews coming, because there's a lot of games dropping this month for VR. So we got Medal of Honor, Frostpoint, and I think a few other games. So definitely be on the lookout for that. But this is worth it. This is nice. This is nice. This is worth the money. I'm not gonna lie. This is worth $1,000. I can't wait to play with this more. And probably by the time I put out the Quest 2 versus Valve Index, I think I might do a PC VR video. Then I'll definitely put that out so you guys can make your decisions about whether you get a Index or a Quest 2. Because I can see the value in both, but man, the Index is just next level. Like this is just next level. If it didn't have a cable, I think one day I pray that Valve comes out with a cableless like feature or wireless feature for the Index. That'd be crazy. But yeah, that's the video for today. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I appreciate you guys watching. If you got any critiques, anything like that, leave them in the comments below. If you want to see some VR streaming, which I'll probably do tonight, check out twitch.tv/MarioDude15. I do all my streaming over there. We play VR games, we play pancake games, play everything. So I'm a variety streamer, but I'm with a primary focus in VR, and my other big game is Rocket League. So please come out. I appreciate you guys watching. Bye.